Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor laundry solutions, and I've got a gem for you. Say hello to the Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Rack, the best outdoor clothes rack you can get your hands on. Now, why do I say it's the best? Let's break it down. First off, this thing is a powerhouse when it comes to air drying your clothes. Made from durable, lightweight steel with a chrome finish, it's built to withstand the elements while protecting your clothes from rust and mildew. Setting up this rack is an absolute breeze. Its accordion-style design allows it to fold flat for easy carrying and compact storage, making it perfect for small outdoor spaces or even for taking on camping trips. And when it comes to capacity, this bad boy can handle up to 32 pounds of laundry. So whether you're drying delicate shirts or heavy jeans, this rack has got you covered. But what really sets this rack apart is its versatility. Not only is it great for outdoor use, but it also works wonders indoors. So whether you're soaking up the sun in your backyard or saving energy by air drying indoors, this rack is the perfect companion. So there you have it, folks. The Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Rack is a game-changer when it comes to outdoor laundry solutions. With its durability, versatility, and ease of use, it's a must-have for any household. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy drying!